Good morning, today's March 13th and today's refinishing project is located in Oakland, California. Alright, so today in Oakland we're going to be refinishing this cast iron bathtub here. It's an old tub. It's really worn out on the inside and on the bottom. We have several chips in this bathtub here. You can see that. Just chips all over. The bottom has some rust. So we're going to go ahead and fully prep this out, repair the large chips, and prime and refinish it. Bathtub like this in this condition usually takes 5-6 hours to complete. And so this is the project for today in Oakland, California, and we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching. All right, so the bathtub's complete. Let's take a look at it. Nice and shiny. This bathtub took 6 hours, I believe 6 hours to complete. There was a lot of chipping up above the overflow there. We had to repair and on the top flat surfaces. Took six and a half hours to complete. But it turned out great, nice and shiny, really clean. All right, so this is the bathtub here in Oakland, California. If you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.